बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्लाह ताला सं फजल करम सत पारान मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी हुंद गोडनुक टॉपिक ओस हाउ इट वाज प्रूव्ड दैट whether it is a proteins or nucleic acids, that is DNA or RNA, that acts as genetic material in living organisms. तो इस वात अत नतीजस पे कि इस में पर्नायो गोडनुक एक्सपेरिमेंट अम थोड़ा बहुत क्लिव दुत कि कुस हसा सबस्टेंस एक्ट करान एज genetic material, and that was Griffith's transformation experiment. यथ में वनो यम हसा हीट किलर एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया यम मिक्स करान विथ आर टाइप बैक्टीरिया असा बनान लाइव एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया। तो यह कन्वर्शन कित पे गसान, हाउ आर टाइप बैक्टीरिया gets converted into S type bacteria when they are mixed with the heat killer S type bacteria, how this conversion occurs. तो कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करान यम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सहित आर टाइप बैक्टीरिया कन्वर्ट इनटू एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया। तो फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्थ वनान something is extracted from the heat killer S type bacteria, or we can say something is present in heat killer S type bacteria and which transforms rough type bacteria into smooth type bacteria, or we can say which transforms avirulent forms of bacteria into virulent forms of bacteria, and he called this something as transforming principle. मगर अम पे हेक वन कह ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल क्या ये ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल प्रोटीन, ये ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल DNA, ये ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल RNA, ये ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, और ये ट्रांसफार्मिंग प्रिंसिपल लाइपिड्स। चूँकि थोड़ा क्लिव मिलोमुत अम ब्रोट कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट तो लाइपिड्स नसा हेकन जेनेटिक मटीरियल कह। तो वो अत पे वारियान साइंटिस्टन, वारियान बायोलॉजिस्टन कन्फ्यूजन, तो यह क्लियर गोमुत कि यह DNA, यह RNA कि प्रोटीन दैट एक्ट्स एज जेनेटिक मटीरियल। तो 3 साइंटिस्ट इन 1944 यमन लीड करान एवरी बेस अमिस 2 एसोसिएट्स। अक्स नाव ओसवाल्ड एवरी, बीस नाव कॉलिन मैकलॉड, बीस नाव मैकलिन मैकार्टी। यम 3 साइंटिस्ट इन 1944 यमो को डिजाइन पन एक्सपेरिमेंट यथ मज यमो सेपरेट कर डिफरेंट बायोकेमिकल्स ऑफ हीट किलर एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया। यमो कर थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स, डिफरेंट बायोकेमिकल्स और बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम दीज हीट किलर एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया। पत कोर अलग अलग कर मिक्स विथ आर टाइप बैक्टीरिया यह जानने खतर यमो कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन काज करान। ओसवाल्ड एवरी Colin MacLeod and Maclean McCarthy in 1944, they did a wonderful experiment to determine the biochemical nature of transforming principle. Yemo kya kor? Avery and his colleagues performed crucial experiment of separating and identifying the chemicals which transformed the non-virulent forms of culture of Streptococcus pneumoniae, that is R type of bacteria or R strain, to virulent forms, that is S type or smooth strain. They purified biochemicals, especially proteins, DNA and RNA, from the heat killer S type to see which ones could transform live R cells into live S cells. यानी यमो हसा कर purify proteins, DNA तो RNA compared from heat killer S type bacteria यह जानने खातर यमो त्रेयमोस कुछ transformation cause करान because यमो protein या nucleic acid अथ पड़ोस confusion कि दोयमोस कुछ करान act as genetic material क्या है अम ब्रोट होस साइंटिस्टन यह शक कि प्रोटीन हसा हेकन अस genetic material because they show diversity, because they show wide diversity because of presence of 20 different amino acids. Thim हस वारिया ज़्यादा complexity हावान, वारिया ज़्यादा diverse nature आसान. So because of its complexity and diversity, protein may act as genetic material. But this experiment provided proof that it is not protein, it is something else. This is something else. Another point, they discovered that DNA alone from heat killer S type bacteria, that means not protein, not RNA, but only the DNA alone from heat killer S type bacteria caused R type bacteria to become transformed. That means elimo purify अलग अलग biochemicals purify कर तो अथ मम डिस्कवर करान इस DNA आसान DNA कुन चीज़ यह कैपेबिलिटी यह पोटेंशियल अथ मज सो कैपेबिलिटी कि यह कर ट्रांसफॉर्म R टाइप बैक्टीरिया इनटू S टाइप बैक्टीरिया. ब्याख चीज़ कोर यमो besides separating these biochemicals, they also discovered that protein digesting enzymes, we call them as proteases, and RNA digesting enzymes, that RNAs, ribonuclease, did not affect transformation. So the transforming substance was not a protein or RNA. यमुक मतलब क्या यमो यह different chemicals, different biochemicals अथ कोर यमो add protein digesting enzymes, which we call them as proteases. तो यमन पन प्रॉपर्टी कि करान डिग्रेड प्रोटीन्स, यानी यम टेस्ट ट्यूबस मजन प्रोटीन्स आसन तिम सारी प्रोटीन डिग्रेड गसान एंड RNA डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम तिम RNases युस हसा अथ मजन RNA आस सह गछ डाइजेस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ RNases. तो अम पतन प्रोटीएसेस ऐड करित RNAs ऐड करित तम पत फिल्ट्रेट हावान तम पत बैक्टीरियल फिल्ट्रेट आसान फ्रॉम हीट किलर S टाइप बैक्टीरिया अमि बावजूद हावान यह ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विच मीन्स दैट neither protein nor RNA cause this transformation. But yemh sat ath mans tro as byak ak enzyme that's called as DNase, deoxyribonuclease. It did prevent transformation. I'm ruki transformation. Time matlab go is DNA chu asan. DNA chu karan transformation. Yuthu DNA as break core with the help of DNase enzyme. Ath roos nu DNA so property kya yemh sit transformation karha, which means that it prevents transformation. And from the above experiment, Avery and his colleagues concluded that only the culture medium that received the DNA fraction from the heat killer S type of bacteria produced smooth bacteria. यानी अमि मज कोर यमो इंटरप्रिटेशन ड्रान कि ये हसा DNA फ्रैक्शन त्रावान कल्चर मीडियम मज ये मज आर टाइप बैक्टीरिया तो यम आर टाइप बैक्टीरिया गसान कन्वर्ट इनटू एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया कर ये अत मज DNA त्रावान फ्रॉम हीट किलर एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया. Therefore, it was proved that DNA is the transforming principle that brings this change and will act as genetic material. ये experiment किस पॉइंट कोर यमो अमि खुद diagram बोन कनत. This diagram depicts how Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy did their experiment. Yeten छ गोडन flask. You see the flask here. Flask के मज छ third S cells in liquid culture medium. Means those bacterial cells which are virulent, which are pathogenic and cause pneumonia in animals and human beings. When these cells are centrifuged, when they undergo centrifugation means क्या on the basis of density, on the basis of size, different fraction separate गसान. चूँकि cell वारिया dense आसान, cell वारिया गोबे आसान because of presence of DNA nucleus. That's why cells come at the bottom of the tube. The herican that's called as supernatant. And the bottom portion has palate is herican that's called supernatant. And the upper portion that is light in weight. Light shows a herim side is dense आसान. Yus heavy आसान shows bottom pattern. Chunki cell very heavy. That's why it was on bottom of the tube and that form a pellet, while as the upper part which is lighter it forms supernatant. Ampajim cell chasans, these third S type of bacteria kill karan with the help of heat treatment. And thoda shiman heat divan so that ki yus amik polysaccharide capsule chasan yem zari man pathogenicity chasan ये वस पेवान. Then it has heat treatment जो heat killer S type bacteria. अम क्या कर homogenize cells and recover third S filtrate. बे थोड़ा छोक दिवान homogenize करान पे recover करान filtrate यानी filter करान through bacteria filtrate अत वसान वन that is recover third S filtrate. That very filtrate consists of carbohydrates, lipids and proteins, plus it also contains DNA nucleic acids. پتہٕ چھِ أسۍ کران کٲم یُس اَسہِ گۄڈٕنیُک ایٚکسپیرمنٹ دیٹ از used as a control یُس یہِ سورُے ایٚکسٹریکٹ چھُ آسان that is third as filtrate we add them to second R cells and we add them to a rough type of bacteria. What happens after some days? Transformation occurs, and in the flask, in addition to second R cells, in addition to rough type of bacteria, we also found live S type bacteria, and it is a control. دوٚیِم کیٛاہ چھُ یُس اَسہِ فِلٹریٹ چھُ اَتھ فِلٹریٹ چھِ أسۍ کران ٹرٛیٖٹ وِتھ پروٹیز دیٹ میٖنٕز اَتھ منٛز یُس پروٹیٖن پارٹ چھُ دیٹ از ڈِگریڈ باے پروٹیز اینزایم وِچ میٖنٕز دیٹ اَتھ منٛز چھُنہٕ وۄنۍ کِہیٖنۍ تہِ پروٹیٖن یا اَتھ منٛز چھُ وۄنۍ پروٹیٖن تَتھ حالتَس منٛز یُس نہٕ ٹرانسفارم ہیٚکہِ کٔرِتھ کِہیٖنۍ. اَمہِ پَتہٕ چھِ وٕچھان أسۍ وین دِس filtrate that is treated with protease when it is mixed with R type cells, that means second R cells plus protease treated third as filtrate. That means agar hasa protein asya transformation principle transforming principle tege sadan transformation kihin ati kyazi asya protein degrade kormut, but in this case still transformation occurs, which means that protein is not transforming principle. I must get our conclusion that is in addition to R type bacteria there's also some live S type bacteria. Conclusions that active factor is not protein, or you can say transforming principle is not protein. In the other experiment, this filtrate is treated with ribonuclease means RNase, which means that agar hasa RNA asya transforming principle tele gesi hani bir transformation kihin ye rekha transformation magar em satan hasa ye RNase treated third as filtrate koruk mix with R type cells, again there occur transformation, which means that active factor is not RNA because there still occurs transformation. In the last one, when this filtrate is treated with deoxyribonuclease means DNase, you go so enzyme that degrades DNA, and when DNA is treated third as filtrate is mixed with R type cells, there is no transformation, and from the flask only R type cells were found. R type cells were recovered, which means that active factor is DNA, and since in this case DNA is already degraded by DNase, that's why there is no transformation, and in this case it prevents transformation, which concludes that it's the DNA that acts as genetic material, and that very DNA causes transformation of R type cells into S type cells. From this experiment, Oswald, Avery and associates concluded that in order to identify the transforming agent, Avery and associates designed their own experiment, and from their experiment it was concluded that DNA from heat killer S type of bacteria caused R type of bacteria to be transformed. Second, enzymes that degrade proteins and RNA did not prevent transformation. And third, enzymes that digest DNA did prevent transformation, and that very DNA segment that transformed the bacteria contained about 1600 nucleotides, which is enough for genetic variability to be possible. That means enough for transformation, enough for change of R type bacteria into S type bacteria. From this experiment, it was concluded that it is the DNA of heat killer S type bacteria that causes this transformation and converts R type bacteria into S type bacteria. I hope you understand this question nicely. बे खुदाए सवाल दीव इजाज़त। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।